Hello, kiddos! How are you today? I hope you are well and fine, kiddos. Today, we are going to learn about the colors of nature. There are 6 main colors in nature that we're going to explore today. The first color we have is the color green. Green is the color we see almost everywhere. At home, we have green plants. At school, we have playgrounds with grass and trees. And even in this scenery, you can see green everywhere. It's the color that represents safety and fills up nature the most. The second color we have is the color brown. Brown is the color of tree trunks and the dirt under our feet. At home, you might have brown wooden furniture. At school, the playground has brown soil. In this scenery, you can see brown in the trees and the ground. It's the color that helps plants grow and keeps everything strong and sturdy. Next up, the color we have is the color blue. Blue is the color of the sky and the ocean. When you look up during the day, you see a big blue sky. When you visit the beach, you see blue waves in the sea. Even in this scenery, you can spot the color blue in the waterfall. It's water and the sky. It's the color that makes everything look calm and peaceful. Next up, the color we have is the color red. Red is the color of lovely flowers and juicy berries. At home, you might see red apples in the kitchen, and at school, you might spot red flowers in the garden. In this scenery, you can see vibrant red flowers, adding a splash of color. It's the color that brings excitement and liveliness. Next up, the color we have is the color orange. Orange is the color of fall leaves and delicious fruits. At home, you might have orange pumpkins for Halloween. At school, you might see orange leaves on the trees during autumn. In this scenery, you can see orange fruits hanging from the trees, glowing warmly. It's the color that brings coziness and a sense of fun. The last color we have is the color yellow. Yellow is the color of the sun and some beautiful flowers. At home, you might have yellow decorations that brighten up the room. At school, you might see yellow flowers in the garden. In this scenery, you can see the yellow sun shining brightly in the sky. It's the color that brings cheerfulness and warmth.
Thanks for watching.